Everyone. Trust you had a wonderful day. Welcome to my welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be showing you how to create a simple church flyer design. Very very simple. Yeah, it's called minimalistic flyer design. So I believe you will learn a lot from it. You will learn a lot from it, and do well to like, follow, and comment. Yeah, I really need it. Thank you. So we'll be making this. Okay, sorry. Let me just. I intentionally off. I put it off. So let's see. Sorry. All right, we'll be looking at how to create this very minimalistic church flyer design here. So actually, the first thing to do when it comes to design is concept. You have to understand concept. So when I was doing this very design, I was thinking of how to come up with a minimalistic design, at least one that communicate the topic effectively. I just wanted something simple and straightforward, and I drew inspiration from this very design online. It's a pastor seats design. Yeah, so I drew inspiration from this very design. So before starting up your design, you need an inspiration. So the inspiration is from the background here. I love how this minimalistic too. Yeah, nothing much there. Just the lightning and the background. So I decided to come up with something better than that. So the only magic here is just the background. So here is it. Let's put everything off and let's start. Okay, so I'll just be doing the background. You can find your way with the rest. It's very very easy, so that we don't take time. All right, so the first thing was that I got my background. Let me just bring it so that this is my background. You see, this was the background I made use of. So what I did was that, okay, I centralized it. Then what I did was reduce the opacity to 23. Can you see that now? I reduced the opacity to 23. Then you can just bring it close to this way so that at least the focus will be at the center here. Do you get? So one thing you have to understand about graphic design is all about communication. So the focus is here. It's just like someone praying for Ruben now. Let Ruben live and not that. So this is someone's hand, Lord holding the hand of Ruben and praying for Ruben. So that's inspiration. All right. So you reduce it, then send it to back, send it to back lock. Then the next thing I did was to bring in this very stuff you are seeing. I will try and drop the link to it. I mean, you can get it on free pick, or you can basically, I got it from Pinterest. So bring in the centralize it. Once you centralize it, okay, centralize it, then bring up your the logo. Bring it up, drop the logo. You can make use of Montserrat. Then another time as graphic designer, you don't need to make use of too many fonts. You can just make use of the whole Montserrat family for your design. I do that a lot. So parish, yes, that. Yeah, so wondering how I did it. This is how I did it. Let's see. Special delivery service. Ruben. So I decided to change the color to that of this. Then what's it called? Let Ruben. Let's look for let Ruben leave. Let's just open up everything, and so that I'll just talk briefly on what I need to talk on. So here is your design. You just import this. You can get this from Pinterest. You can get from Pinterest. And that was the old design. Then you save it. Let's save. So once you save, let's go to The next thing you do is to bring the design to Pixart. Here is the design. So bring it to Pixart. And on Pixart, what we'll be doing is adding lens flare. So Pixart works like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop rather. So those blend, if you are familiar with Adobe Photoshop, you understand blend mode, multiple, blah blah, all those ones. So come down to what's it called? Okay, my stop doing my download. I'm coming. I'm not sure it's in my download. Let's come to, sorry for that. Sorry about that. Let's come to my pins. Should we have my pins? So we are adding that very lens flare to just bring out the glowing effect in it so that it glows. You get can you see okay, excuse me, just give me. Okay, here we are. Add. Okay, so we are. So just go down to, let's delete this. Let's go down to blend, click screen. So just increase it. Put it somewhere here. You don't want it to be too much. Just put it here. Do you get? Put it somewhere here. Hmm? Then you can equally duplicate. Bring one here. You want to just give that effect.
Right around the year 2012, I would go out and I would minister. Chandler was just talking about it. I would minister to people and I would watch them be healed, set free, and delivered. And I would go home for days in the dark, under the covers with the curtains closed. I was plagued by depression and rejection.
Okay,
And the
so
main
that's
thing the
that.
enemy would try to tell me,
So with that, you can just position it anyhow you want. So just click
he would say,
drop
yeah,
mark,
you do all of that.
and
But
that's
if you
it.
were to die
Just
today, they would find another Tasha. Let me
save,
tell you something. This is the
save
testimony. I remember being in that dark room.
to gallery.
I remember the curtains closed. It was so dark that my roommate, who was my cousin at the time, she came
Okay,
and she told me,
that's done.
Tasha, I can't take it. I gotta
Done.
move out. She left.
So what we'll just do, just to enhance your design, I'm just going to show you a little thing. You know that before, I
I
believe.
was in that
Just go
dark
to
room crying
Snapseed
on my
and
bed.
just
And the
enhance it.
Lord
That's what we do.
came to
The
me
most graphic designer, don't just
and
leave your
said,
work like
Tasha,
that. Go enhance it.
get up and
So
wash your face.
that to become very, very great.
Never alone, no.
So you want
And the
to
Lord, he said, for one
enhance
thing,
the
he said, you've been
design,
going
just
through the wrong
increase
thing.
the
You're walking around saying
structure.
you're depressed. This is rejection.
Increase the structure, not too
Depression is a
much. Something
breakthrough
like
from the
30
root of
is okay.
rejection. So you've been cutting off
Then
branches, but tonight
sharpening,
he
not too
wants
much.
you
You
to
increase the
know.
sharpening too much, you see that the text, I mean,
He
it
said, this is
starts
what I want you to say
breaking,
every
something
single
like
day.
that.
I
So
want you to
16
look
is
yourself in the
okay.
mirror and you say, I cut off the
And
spirit of rejection.
you can just play around with it,
Every
because play
single day I
around with
walk in
it.
rejection. Every single day
Okay,
I
what
walk through
next?
my
Just play
deliverance.
around with the
I got
saturation.
revelation deep
Don't touch
down
the
inside.
brightness, just play around with the saturation. Because saturation of 5 is okay.
I'm
Then
gonna stay.
contrast, we don't really need contrast much. Let's just give it one. Then it's okay. I love playing with the white ones on you, and I don't want it. It's okay. Thanks all bros. See this. So just play around with it. So that's how I came up with that design. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and expect more amazing um, and creative designs. So I'll be bringing up tutorials that will help us grow as creatives. Don't forget, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.